I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hello, and welcome back to the Barca Hub. Our coach Ronald Koeman gave an interview in which he gave many important insights. So let's see what were his words and what are my thoughts on his words. First, he said that I'm not too happy with our previous results in the league, but overall I'm quite satisfied because it's just a start. Then added, to win the UCL, we have to improve a lot of things. Teams like Bayern are ahead of us, but we will be stronger in the future. And I think we all can agree with Koeman here. We know that we have to improve. We know we have to improve defensively and in the midfield as well. So to beat the teams like Bayern and Liverpool, we need to do some serious hard work. Koeman then said that Barcelona always likes to play attacking football with a lot of intensity and therefore we push very high. But we have to make sure that we don't lose the ball there and make ourselves vulnerable to counter-attacks. This is where we have to improve. So Koeman is also saying that we have to improve defensively, and for that the positioning of players like Piqué, Busquets and Longley has to be very good to stop those counter-attacks. Talking about Piqué, Koeman said that I really like him as a player. He's very experienced, he's very skilled and he has the ability to lead our defense. Then he also said that Umtiti will also be a big part of our team when he comes back and when he's completely fit. So that is a great news, because we all know in 2018 before the World Cup and in the World Cup as well, Umtiti was a beast, and let us hope that Umtiti can get back on his legs very soon and get back onto the team. Then Koeman went on to speak about our midfield. He said that I love Busquets. His vision is very good and he's also having a great composure. He, Pjanic and De Jong will help us a lot in the future. And I don't really agree with Koeman here. Busquets was good against Real Betis, but his overall performance has been weak and should not start according to me. Then Koeman moved on to our attack and said that our team has been very good attackingly, and one of the main reasons for it is Lionel Messi, who is very committed, he is working very hard and was also exceptional against Real Betis. Another player who has impressed me is Dembele, who is very pacey and has been very good recently, and in the absence of Fati, Dembele has to prove himself. And we all also hope that Dembele does prove himself and show the world that he is one of the best when he is completely fit and when he is playing. And at last, Koeman went on to talk about our youth. He said that I'm shocked by Pedri. He is a great player with a lot of skills. I didn't expect him to be this good, and he will surely be a great part of Barcelona's future. But one player who Koeman is not interested in is Riqui Puig. He said that Puig still has to improve a lot, his game both physically and rhythm-wise. And I don't really agree with Koeman here as well. Koeman, as we all know, is not playing Puig for some reasons, and tomorrow or today there will be a video coming out that what is the main problem that Puig is not playing. Why is Koeman not giving him a chance? So a video will be coming, so stay tuned to the channel, and these were Koeman's words and my thoughts, some thoughts, whatever. So stay tuned because more videos will be coming, different type of videos will be coming. I'm planning on some different sorts of things, so let's see how it goes. Until then, Visca el Barça.
I never made it, but I